Kane here, and today we're gonna do this.
You said Kane, Aaron.
When did I say that? Really? Okay, top 10 most annoying sounds in the world.
Oh, that reminds me.
Oh yeah. It's not annoying to me.
No, it's PTSD. No, I cannot.
Okay, I'm turning it up.
This hurts my.
You wanted it at 100, James.
Okay,
Baby
that's
crying,
not bad.
baby crying.
Okay, that's not bad at all. It's just embarrassing to listen to it. It's so weird.
Number 100. You're making that sound. Are they dying?
I think they're drowning.
It's not annoying. It's too loud.
Scares me. Okay, this is just weird.
It is weird. It is so weird.
It's just listening to this is weird. No.
Oh.
Why does this sound like a storm? Oh, that's fine.
Oh, this is fine. This isn't bad at all.
What? Number 5.
That's scared of me.
My mom hates this. My dad smokes guns. It's just like none of these are that bad. I mean, yeah, they're annoying. But
Yeah, they're annoying, but not to the point where it's like, yeah.
I just don't like.
Okay, I hate that one. I hate that one. I hate that one.
I gotta listen to it.
I can't do that one. I can't do that one. I can't do that one.
Extreme painful sounds.
Okay, this one, yeah. Extreme pain. It's loading, okay?
That's just yeah. Turn volume all the way up.
I don't want to. I'll do 20.
I was just gonna go to really high
Get rid of.
frequency.
Wait, why is my mouse? Mouse. Not sponsored. Okay.
Tell me when you can stop hearing it. Because if it's too high, you can't hear it sometimes. I think it's over like 20,000 decibels.
No!
Or something like that. 20,000.
What is it doing?
20,000
Okay. We're back on.
frequency thing. I don't know. It's 20,000 something. Then YouTube stops picking it up. What the?
Why is it doing?
Okay, this is turning my head.
Is this just gonna keep on going?
No. Okay.
Oh.
I hate that noise.
It's so peaceful.
No.
Okay, we're gonna pause. Okay, yeah, we're back. Okay. We found a better video.
I don't care if it's lower sounding metal scraping. It's whenever it's really high.
Yeah, this is weird.
Wait.
Yeah, this isn't very
Here.
annoying. Okay, pause the video. We're almost done.
Dryer scraping noise. I want to actually see that.
Okay. I guess the. No.
Just one more 14-second video. This doesn't bother me. Oh, I hate this one. Just the thumbnail makes me.
No.